We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket. Sadly, we cannot launch the bigger rockets because it is too windy. Calvin says that this is like the take your child to work take. So this is called the Planet probe, and it is actually not edible. Leo's launching it. Jeez. Where is it? Where is it? This is the next one, and if you crush it up and put it into your bloodstream, you can't get COVID because you'll be dead. 2, 1.
Oh, where is it?
God damn! This one's the hijinks. It has a parachute. It's one of the first rockets that we ever had. Oh shoot, there's a parachute! The rubber band got singed and the whole thing like flew off. This is the Mini-Max, and over here we had to duct tape it back together because the engine blew out a while ago. Also, each 3 of the wings, I think, all came off at some point. So this thing's gone through a lot, and we are about to launch it. 2, 1. Oh shoot, I can't see it. Next up, we're launching that one, but blue. These ones are way harder to record. Wait, did it fall? Oh, okay, I didn't see it. This one is called the Curve Liner, and we are going to be doing it next. The last time, it got stuck on the platform, so hopefully it doesn't do that this time. Alright.
Oh no!
What?
Oh no!
Rocket 2, Electric Boogaloo. Last time it got stuck and like the top came off. So let's try again. Go? Oh, come on, man! Alright, it went off and I didn't see it. Where is it? Calvin's chasing it. Okay, it already fell on the ground. I stopped recording, but then it took off. There he goes. Calvin says that this is like the take your child to work take. There's Red Max, Mini Max, Blue Max, and Blue Mini Max. The Max series are supposed to be German. There's an outhouse. They blew up their own stuff.
Accidents happen.
This used to be a CD, but we put it at the bottom of the launch pad, and now it is no longer a CD. And it's also in like 2 layers. Look, 1, 2. Pretty neat.
Darth Maul of CDs.
I think I'm taking a picture. Watch them as they're frozen.